Hello. I finally got both my Ipsys in. Only took literally the entire month. Before we get right into this, again, I will have timestamps down below. Tomorrow is Vlogmas. It's finally starting. Everything is coming together. I will be posting a video every single day for December. Like right up till New Year's. No, I won't be offended if you skip over whatever videos you just aren't that interested in. 31 videos is a lot to take in. I do have a plan to schedule them to all release at 6 p.m. every day. So 6 p.m. every day of December, I will have a video up for you guys. I've got tons of different kinds of stuff. So, you know, I'm aware I can't please everybody. Just watch the ones you want and don't watch the ones you don't want. Ipsy, let's fucking do this because I've been waiting so goddamn long. This postal strike is driving me absolutely bonkers. Let's start with my normal bag. This is my regular bag. It is the profile I've had for over a year now. It has my typical personal features, red hair, blue eyes, yada yada, and my normal preferences for makeup, which are the more adventurous side. So this is technically my adventurous bag. Ooh, this is the bag this month. I don't believe there were any variations, but it is a nice blue purple with little hearts. The first thing is the tiniest bit of setting powder I've ever seen in my entire life. This is the Ciate Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It looks like it will have a white cast. It is it looks very, very white. We'll try it out. So we've got some translucent powder. Marc Anthony True Professional Bye Bye Frizz Silicone Free Protecting Leave-In Conditioner. Thank you. Protects during styling, blocks humidity. I don't think I'll be trying this out today. I've already got, actually, Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner in her. It is the coconut one. I really love the coconut line of stuff. It's so good. The next thing is in bubble wrap, which makes me kind of nervous. Ooh, c'est quoi? I can't really read that. Dermadelli Pumpkin Seed Serum. I can't read this bottle very well at all, but this is what it looks like. It does not smell like pumpkin or anything really. I do have a serum on the go, so I'm not going to try this out today. I will put this in my try bin for skincare. An eyeshadow. Single eyeshadow in the shade Pinkies Up by Helios Beauty. This is, oh, kind of looks like the Annabelle one that I got a little while ago. Link that video up here somewhere. Very glittery and pink. It's almost like a topper instead of an actual eyeshadow. And it feels like we've got one more big thing in here. A Huda Beauty lip strobe is in fact a full size. This is in the shade Enchanting. It smells like cake. So that is the lip strobe. Okay, let's get into bag number 2. This bag is my alter ego profile. This one I have set to black hair, brown eyes. All my preferences are on the more neutral side, and I think I checked off that I want more skincare, body care, like the stuff I steer away from in my usual bag. Oh, also, I got an extra in this one. Ipsy has this new feature where it's like, I think $3 US, and you can go in and add on whatever. I mean, you don't know what you're getting in your bag at this point. You can pick the stuff you want to make sure is in your bag and pay $3 to get that. So I did get this. It is the Youth to the People spinach and kale green tea hyaluronic acid superfood air whip moisture cream. That is a lot. And this is going to be going into my try basket because I do have a lot of face creams to work through right now. I'm excited to try this eventually, but I will not be trying it today. Let's pull out this bag and see what the fuck is in here. So the bag is exactly the same. The first thing I've got feels like aerosol. It is the Oribe dry texturing, I don't know. I don't know. Dry texturizing spray. I've seen tons of people get this time and time again in the Ipsy bags, and honestly, I don't understand what it does. I guess like volumizes, which I don't need, so I'll probably never use this. Next, we've got a Juice Beauty Phytopigments Illuminating Primer Base. It doesn't really smell like anything, and it does appear to be a little bit illuminating. Next, oh, I love these little packets. You can like screw the top back on so your shit doesn't dry out. This Pistache Skincare, Pistachio Oil, Pistachio Body Butter. Oh, that smells like amazing. I'm just gonna try a little bitty bit. That is, oh my god, if you like the smell of pistachios, this is heavenly. Next, I got a little single shadow from The Balm. Nude eyeshadow, Nude Beach Volume 3 in the shade Brave. Shimmery purple. And that's what we got there. And the last thing we got is by IPSY, is Honey Sheen. I'm assuming this is a lip gloss. And it smells like Pine Sol, kind of. No, lemon Pine Sol. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to dive into some of this stuff and we're going to try it on. If you were one of those people that just wanted to see the unboxing and you're going to tune the fuck out now, then peace. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by, and for everybody else, let's put some stuff on my face. So I'm going to start with this Juice Primer. Whoa, that is a lot. That just kind of blew up. It blew up. It's okay. It's going everywhere, I guess. We're just going to illuminate the whole face and the neck. This is a lot more than what I needed. Ooh, it's absorbing into the skin fairly well. No, really well. It is like right in there. Like I just drank that shit up. Wow. Wow. It feels like I just put a really like soft gel moisturizer on. And I do appear to be a little bit illuminated, I think. I'm gonna get some foundation on and we'll come back and powder our faces with that teensy weensy little thing. Okay, base is on. Let's dive into this Ciate powder. It is so tiny. So I'm just gonna tap my brush around on here. And then I'm just gonna set the essential parts of my face. The forehead. Oh my goodness. I didn't mean to bake. I didn't mean to. A little bit to buff around the rest of the face. I don't know. That made me look really dusty. Okay, I don't really think I like this. So I'm gonna take, I know this is a shimmer, but I'm gonna take the single shadow from The Balm and I'm gonna put that in my crease. Breaking rules today. I'm just gonna do something really like simple with this, because I don't know how long I'm keeping it on for. Okay, for a shimmer in the crease, that's not bad. Now let's go into this Helios eyeshadow. I'm gonna go into this with a brush first. So, brush. Oh yeah, it's just like the Annabelle one where it's just like a flush of glitter. Like that is glitter. And then I will put it on with my finger on the other eye just to see the difference. Just tappa, tappa, tappa. So it's a little more concentrated with the finger and then a little more dispersed with the brush. And that is just really freaking glittery. And go check that video out if you haven't seen it. It literally looks exactly the same. I like it though, it's pretty. I'm not upset that I have more because those Annabelle shadows are like 10 bucks each. Okay, let's try out some lip products, shall we? The IPSY Pine Sol lip gloss. It definitely tastes like what I imagine Pine Sol would taste like. The Huda Lip Strobe in Enchanted. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit in the middle. And tap that around. That actually does give a really pretty sort of iridescence on its own. I like it. Okay, well that is it. That is all for Ipsy for November, finally. And let's get in to the Christmas season. We will see you in the next one.